Have you ever wondered what it takes to build an empire? Not of stone and steel, but of trust, ambition, and an unwavering belief in the common person? This is the story of a bank born from the ashes of disaster, a financial giant that started with a simple, revolutionary idea: to serve those who were overlooked, to empower the forgotten, and to build a nation's future, one dream at a time. This is the incredible journey of Bank of America, a testament to how a small, community-focused institution can rise to become one of the most powerful financial forces in the world. Our story begins not in a grand boardroom on Wall Street, but on the bustling, immigrant-filled streets of San Francisco in 1904. A man named Amedeo Peter Giannini, son of Italian immigrants, saw something that the established banking titans of his era chose to ignore. He saw the hardworking farmers, the dedicated laborers, and the diverse ethnic communities of California who were denied access to the very financial tools they needed to build a better life. The big banks saw them as a risk, but Giannini saw potential. He saw their spirit, their grit, and their dreams. Driven by a profound sense of justice and community, he founded the Bank of Italy. Its mission was not to cater to the wealthy elite, but to provide banking services for the working class, for the very people who were the backbone of America's growth. This commitment was forged in fire, literally. In 1906, a catastrophic earthquake and subsequent fires ravaged San Francisco, reducing the vibrant city to rubble and ruin. While other banks shuttered their doors, consumed by their own losses, A.P. Giannini saw an opportunity, not for profit, but for service. In the chaotic aftermath, he famously set up a makeshift desk on a waterfront pier using a plank of wood laid across 2 barrels. From this humble post, he began lending money from the bank's rescued vaults, not based on collateral or credit history, but on a handshake and a person's character. He extended loans to families and small businesses, empowering them to rebuild their homes, their shops, and their lives. This act of profound faith in the face of devastation cemented the community's trust in the Bank of Italy. It was a bank that didn't just hold their money, it held their hopes. Giannini's vision was also revolutionary in its structure. He pioneered modern banking by establishing a network of branches throughout California, bringing financial services directly to the communities that needed them most, a stark contrast to the single, imposing headquarters of his competitors. As the bank's influence and reputation grew, so did its founder's ambition. The 1930s marked a pivotal moment of transformation. The name Bank of Italy, while a source of immense pride, no longer fully captured the scope of Giannini's vision. He dreamed of a bank that could serve every American from coast to coast. In 1930, the institution was reborn with a name that reflected this grand aspiration: Bank of America. With a clear commitment to serving the entire United States, it established key offices in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York. Throughout the mid-20th century, Bank of America relentlessly built out an extensive retail banking platform. It became the friendly, accessible bank for millions of individuals and small businesses. The place where families opened their first savings accounts, where entrepreneurs secured their first loans, and where the American dream felt within reach. The late 20th century ushered in an era of dramatic consolidation and a major turning point in the bank's history. In 1998, a powerful East Coast institution, Nations Bank of Charlotte, North Carolina, executed a monumental acquisition of the San Francisco-based Bank America Corporation. In a move that honored the legacy and brand recognition built over nearly a century, the new, larger entity chose to retain the historic Bank of America name and adopted the now iconic flagscape logo, symbolizing a unified national presence. This merger was not just a combination of assets. It was the fusion of 2 powerful banking cultures, creating a new titan ready to redefine the financial landscape of the 21st century. Following the landmark 1998 merger, the newly fortified Bank of America embarked on a strategic series of acquisitions designed to expand its portfolio and diversify its services, cementing its status as a comprehensive financial powerhouse. The journey began in 2004 with the acquisition of Fleet Boston Financial. This single move dramatically expanded Bank of America's footprint, giving it a commanding market share in the crucial Northeast region of the United States and bringing its services to millions of new customers. Just 2 years later, in 2006, the bank turned its attention to the highest echelons of finance, with the acquisition of U.S. Trust. This venerable institution, known for its long history of serving the nation's wealthiest families, instantly transformed Bank of America into one of the largest private wealth management banks in the country. This strategic transaction allowed the bank to cater to the complex needs of high-net-worth clients, adding a new layer of sophistication to its already broad array of services. The most transformative and challenging period came in 2008, amidst the turmoil of the global financial crisis. In a move that stunned the financial world, Bank of America acquired the famed brokerage firm Merrill Lynch. At a time of unprecedented market volatility, this acquisition was a bold and audacious bet on the future. It significantly bolstered the bank's wealth management and investment banking capabilities, integrating one of Wall Street's most storied names into its fold. In the same year, facing the collapse of the housing market, Bank of America also acquired Countrywide Financial. While a controversial move that brought significant challenges, it instantly made the bank the leading mortgage provider in the United States, placing it at the very center of the nation's housing recovery. Through this series of bold acquisitions, Bank of America didn't just grow, it evolved, becoming a diversified financial institution capable of serving every segment of the economy, from Main Street to Wall Street. As the world moved firmly into the digital age, Bank of America embraced its pioneering roots, leading the charge in technological innovation to enhance the customer experience. Recognizing that the future of banking was in the palm of your hand, the bank invested heavily in its digital platforms. In 2016, it launched Erica, a groundbreaking virtual financial assistant powered by artificial intelligence. Erica empowered customers to manage their finances, track their spending, and navigate their accounts with simple voice commands and text messages, bringing a new level of convenience and personalization to everyday banking. Beyond technology, the bank also recognized its growing responsibility in shaping a more sustainable world. In 2013, Bank of America took a leadership role in sustainable finance by issuing its first green bonds. This was more than just a financial instrument. It was a public commitment to finance and support businesses dedicated to a low-carbon, sustainable future. This initiative has since grown into a multi-billion-dollar effort, channeling capital towards projects in renewable energy, energy efficiency, and clean transportation. Demonstrating that profitability and planetary health can go hand in hand, today Bank of America stands as the second-largest banking group in the United States by assets, a global financial institution with a reach that a P. Giannini could only have dreamed of. It serves approximately 67 million consumer and small business clients through an extensive network of branches, ATMs, and a world-class digital platform. Its global reach is also a part of its long history. For instance, its presence in Vietnam dates back to a branch opened in Saigon in 1966, a testament to its long-standing international vision. Bank of America continues to navigate the complexities of the modern world, masterfully balancing its heritage of traditional retail services for the everyday person with the sophisticated high-stakes world of investment banking. From a plank of wood on a ruined pier to a global financial leader, the journey of Bank of America is more than just a corporate history. It is a powerful story about vision, resilience, and the enduring power of community. It's a reminder that true greatness often begins with a simple act of seeing the potential in others and having the courage to help them build their dreams. Right. It's a story that's not just written in ledgers and stock prices, but in the countless lives it has touched and the futures it has helped to build. This is the legacy of a bank that was built for the people, and by the people it continues to serve.